Hello, crypto world. Welcome to the Chart Historian. My name is Justin, and on this channel, I delve deep into crypto charts, exploring chart structures, fractals, and patterns. Well, today I'm not looking at a crypto chart. In fact, I'm looking at the US dollar index, also known as the DXY. And as you can see, it is currently looking like it's in a free fall. Now, I'm on a day candle, and a good argument can be made that this will continue to fall, and I don't counter that argument. I believe there is a good chance that it will continue to fall. But here is where I draw the line. This is only a temporary move down, most likely, before the DXY turns around and starts moving up again. In fact, it moves up even higher than this peak right here. Now, in this video, I'm going to make my case, and I'm going to use data that is only from the DXY. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of what will likely come next for the DXY. So tune in. To build my case, I need to go all the way back to the 80s. Okay, so here we are back in the 1980s and the early 2000s. I have this on a 3-day candle. So this is a fairly zoomed out picture. Now, from 1985 to 2002, the DXY printed this structure. Now, if you were to take this structure and just straight up copy and paste it onto this side of the chart, it would look something like this. Okay, I'm going to have to zoom out to do this. Okay, I'm on a month candle here. So if we took this structure and copied and pasted it onto this side of the chart, you see that there is some similarities, some resemblance. Now, you could also make a case, well, maybe it's doing something different. I would like to show you, however, that this fractal is actually much, much closer than what it looks like by doing this. And to do that, what I've done is I've taken different sections of the fractal, broken it up, and matched it to the corresponding sections on this side of the chart. So it looks something like this. So as you can see, it is a very close match. Now, this is on a 3-day candle, so I took different parts of the structure, like right here, and copy and pasted it to this part of the structure. As I go through the chart, I took each part of the fractal and match it to the structure. So as you can see, it is a very close match. In fact, let's zoom in closer. Let's go to a day candle, and let's go back to view the entire thing. As you can see, folks, this is a very, very close match. Now, the rule of thumb with fractals is the larger the fractal, the more powerful it is. So if a fractal is years in the making, that is a pretty powerful structure. And as you can see, once adjusted, it is a very close match. So what happens here? Well, folks, as you can see, it is currently moving down just as this fractal suggests it should do. Now, let's be clear. There could be some deviations. There are deviations on this chart. So we could see something that makes it a little more complex to guess what's going on. But as of now, this is following and doing exactly what this fractal has suggested it will do. So what comes next? Let's put that part of the fractal onto this chart. So this is what is coming down the pike. Now, let's be clear here. When it comes to peaks, assuming this is all one peak, peaks can sometimes be the Wild West of fractals. So here, for instance, the fractal moves up and drops, whereas in reality, it moved up, it went kind of flat here and then dropped. So there is, put it this way, a peak is a place where the chances of a deviation taking place become greater. So if we look at here, it, for the most part, did what the fractal suggested it would do. But there is that possibility that the peak could look something different than what it is showing. However, what we should expect is a move up. Now, I don't know the height, the depth, or the timing of this unrealized portion of the fractal. It will become clearer as it starts to develop. As it develops, we'll most likely begin to see the commonality between this fractal and what is being materialized on the chart. So folks, there you have it. It is my belief that the DXY is likely going to reverse course and begin to move up soon. I don't know when, setting a new high that goes beyond this. Now, it's not an all-time high, new all-time high, but it is higher than this point. Now, after this, we should expect a large decline in the dollar. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. And if you enjoy this type of technical analysis, I recommend hitting that subscribe button. You're not going to find this TA most likely anywhere on YouTube. One important thing to make note of, I am not a financial advisor, so none of this should be considered financial or investment advice. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.